Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. This is the situation. The weather is fine today, and hope there's no more typhoon coming. So, this is the weather. It's cloudy morning, but good. There's no bad weather. It's just a cloudy morning. So, umulan kagabi. It rains yesterday night in afternoon. So, that's how the galyang is in the morning. So we are just walking by and looking around. So ganito po yung situation this morning here in Kabayan, Benguet. So we are at the northern part of the Philippines. Ganito po yung situation ngayon sa Kabayan, Benguet. Maganda yung weather. So my place is almost near to the Timbak Mami Cave. You can pass by from here, going up, coming from the central of Kabayan, and can travel up. That's where Mami Cave is, up there. So ganyan po yung situation ngayon. Walang masamang panahon. So farmers already go out from the farm, working as the routine daily. Ganito po. So marami tayong kape. We have Arabica coffee here. So ganyan po ang Arabica coffee. Ganyan ang situation. So baka may gustong pupunta ng Mount Timbuk. So here we are. Malapit lang sa amin po yung Mount Timbuk Mami Cave. So lalakad muna tayo para makita kung ano yung situation. We just walk by to look around. Same time exercise before we start to work again. The weather is not much that cool. It's tolerable. But when it rains, it's cold. So I think it's almost whole year hindi masyadong mainit sa amin. It's normal. Unless there's no bad weather, the weather is fine. So we have plantation of bananas here. And corn also. Ganyan yung situation. So ganito po yung karamihan na backyard or view of our place here. We are on the mountainous side. More on pine trees. But some part they don't have the pine trees already. Where the cold area is, like in Timbuk, near Mami Cave, they don't have much more pine trees. It's only down. Ganyan yung situation. So, hopefully, wala nang bagyo. But, we don't say that because we are prone of typhoon here. So, we still have upcoming months until the year round. So, may mga typhoon pang darating sa atin. So, pinipray lang natin na sana hindi siya ganun kalakas or more will damage some properties or especially the agriculture sector of the people over here. So, update lang tayo. What's the situation in our society, in our place. So, yan po yung morning natin. Kanya. Thanks for watching.